A slow and unstructured response to the constantly increasing volume and severity of vulnerabilities and the associated scanner data and triage delays across teams is putting your organisation at even greater risk. See how OpenText Data Center Automation helps IT operation teams accelerate vulnerability remediation. This is a typical environment with Data Center Automation, or DCA, managing servers discovered by OpenText Universal Discovery and CMDB, both on-prem and across multi-regions in AWS, and scanning alongside third-party scanners such as Qualys. The Central Universal Discovery and CMDB gives visibility into your infrastructure services and their related servers. Having DCA integrated with the Central Universal Discovery and CMDB, newly discovered servers are constantly synchronized and new resources created in DCA. This extends asset inventory management by providing near real-time visibility across your hybrid environments. If you don't know it's there, you can't protect it. To learn if any of these discovered assets are at risk, you would run a scan either in DCA or from third-party scanners such as Qualys. Your teams are probably used to seeing standard Qualys results output like this, which would typically take weeks to review, identify and implement corrective actions manually, extending your risk exposure. With the Qualys integration, DCA automates this, accelerating the remediation process. With the integration configured, Qualys results can be imported into DCA, and the vulnerabilities Qualys found are correlated to the specific servers and patches in under 1 minute. The DCA resources page shows the updated vulnerability status reflecting the scan results. To only focus on the most critical vulnerabilities, you can sort by severity, CVSS score, and other listed criteria. Universal Discovery and CMDB also shows the server vulnerability details and status. Should a vulnerability be exploited, Universal Discovery and CMDB can run an impact analysis which would identify which other applications, along with the infrastructure services, could also become unavailable, allowing you to prioritise your efforts by most critical business service. The status information from our correlated vulnerabilities is also available in an easily digestible format and can be displayed in, for example, a custom Power BI dashboard, indicating all new vulnerabilities details. Being fully informed on the vulnerability status and impact, DCA can go on to easily and quickly automate and perform the remediation. By selecting all vulnerabilities and their available patches, you can create a scan and remediation policy and scan the server against it. The needed patches will be displayed on the resources dashboard. Since DCA has a built-in orchestrator, you also have the flexibility to create policy extensions, which can be used as post-remediate actions. This allows your teams to implement workflow customizations and ultimately increase remediation efficiency. With the remediation executed and servers patched, the outcome is displayed showing the status in the vulnerabilities page. The reporting dashboard will also reflect the new updated patched status. Qualys will show the asset, once rescanned, as fixed. And after re-importing the Qualys results, DCA can confirm that the remediation was correctly performed with a new fixed status. Since all vulnerabilities are confirmed by Qualys, the resource's overall status changes to not vulnerable. This is reflected in Universal Discovery and CMDB, and also our custom dashboard. And that's how easy it is to map DCA and Qualys scan results for fast and simple remediation through automation, taking away the resource-intensive and risk-prone challenges of an otherwise manual task. To learn more about how DCA can accelerate vulnerability remediation for your organisation, visit www.microfocus.com/DCA.